Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to hide contacts phone number while calling in Samsung S26 Ultra. If you're using Samsung S26 Ultra and you want to hide the phone number of your callers or of the person with you're calling, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your phone app and your mobile, and here just tap on these three dots in the top right, and then click on settings. Now, once you are in settings, you must see an option of caller information. You just have to click on it. Now, once you are here, you must see the option of show contacts phone number. You just have to disable this option. Now, once you have disabled, anyone person will call you or you will call, you will not see the phone number here. So, in this way, you can easily hide the phone number of your caller and your Samsung S26 Ultra. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.